Good day, ma'am, sir. My name is Marilyn Carpio from Cagayan Valley, Philippines. I am 33 years old. I am married for 13 years and I have one son, 11 years old. I am a college graduate. I am very responsible to my job, hardworking, trustworthy, and honest. I have 4 years experience here in the Philippines with 2 different employers. My first employers have 3 members, 1 kid and 1 adult. My second employer have 4 members, 1 adult and 3 kids. My job duties is to clean the house, cooking, washing dishes and clothes, taking care of pet, and sending kids to school. To my future employer, please give me a chance to work in your family because I want to work in your country for the better future of my family. Thank you, ma'am, sir, and God bless.